Welcome to CSGAB Info Hub. We shall overcome. College Students and Graduates Association of the Blind. T Nagar Chennai. Telephone number 0442434868.
சட்டம் அறிவோம், சம உரிமைகளை காப்போம்.
தமிழன் என்று சொல்லடா, தலையிலிருந்து நில்லடா, தமிழடா.
Welfare of Differently Abled Persons Department, GO number 21, dated 23/03/2015. Order: the College Students and Graduates Association of the Blind in their representation first read above has requested the government to redress the following demands. To provide employment as BT assistants to all those who have passed teachers eligibility tests conducted by Teachers Recruitment Board and waiting for jobs. To provide employment as PG assistants to 200 PG degree holders of visually impaired. To provide employment to 100 visually impaired persons who have passed national eligibility test and state eligibility test as assistant professors in government colleges. To double the readers' allowance amount given at present under various categories. To enhance the monthly unemployment relief. To enhance the scribe assistant to rupees 300. To match the travelling allowance amount of rupees 1000 with the basic pay for visually impaired persons on Government of India pattern, and to fill up 500 posts of A and B categories as per Supreme Court judgment, and to conduct a special test for visually impaired persons by Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission. The above demands were discussed in detail with the Honorable Chief Minister, Senior Ministers and Minister for Social Welfare and Nutritious Meal Program on 18/03/2015 and arrived decisions as follows. The School Education Department will be requested to explore the possibility of providing employment to them in private schools and in respect of government and government aided schools through the Parent Teachers Association, and for this the government may offer salary subsidy to the extent of 25% of the salary will be paid to the visually impaired teachers. The scale of pay and grade pay paid should not exceed government scale of pay for the relevant category of teachers. During 2015 to 2016, 988 PG assistants will be recruited. By applying 2% reservation for visually impaired persons, 19 PG assistants can be appointed. During the year 2015 to 2016, it is projected that 25 vacancies can be filled up by the visually impaired in government arts and science colleges, technical institutions and government engineering colleges. Efforts may be made to appoint qualified visually impaired persons as PG assistants and lecturers in private schools and colleges by offering 25% salary subsidy. The scale of pay and grade pay paid should not exceed the scale of pay and grade pay for the relevant category of teachers in government schools and government colleges. The scribe assistants may be enhanced from rupees 200 to 300. In the letter second read above, the State Commissioner for the Differently Abled has sent a suitable proposal on the above aspects and requested the government to move with the School Education Department for providing employment to the qualified visually impaired BT assistants in private schools and in respect of government and government aided schools through the Parent Teachers Association by offering salary subsidy to the extent of 25% of the salary. Further, the government may instruct the Teachers Recruitment Board to follow 2% reservation strictly for the visually impaired persons in the PG assistants recruitment being made during the year 2015 to 2016, and also requested to move with the Higher Education Department to provide employment to the qualified visually impaired PG assistants and lecturers in private schools and colleges by offering 25% salary subsidy. The recommendation of the State Commissioner for the Differently Abled as examined by the government carefully and decided to accept the same and accordingly issue the following orders. The School Education Department is ordered to explore the possibility of providing employment to the qualified visually impaired candidates in private schools and in respect of government and government-aided schools as BT assistants through the parent-teachers meeting by offering the salary subsidy to the extent of 25% of the salary paid to the visually impaired teachers. The scale of pay and grade pay paid should not exceed government scale of pay for the relevant category of teachers. The Teachers Recruitment Board is ordered to appoint 19 PG assistants by following 2% reservation for visually impaired persons while recruiting 988 PG assistants during the year 2015 to 2016. The School Education and Higher Education Department are ordered to appoint qualified visually impaired persons as PG assistants and lecturers in private schools and colleges by offering 25% salary subsidy. The scale of pay and grade pay paid should not exceed the scale of pay and grade pay for the relevant category of teachers in government schools and government colleges. The unemployment allowance given under each category is enhanced as below. SSLC or metric and below, rupees 300 to 600. PUC or plus 2 passed, rupees 375 to rupees 750. UG or PG, rupees 450 to 1000. The scribe assistance is enhanced as form as 250 to 300. This order issues with the concurrence of Higher Education Department, School Education Department and Finance Department by day dated 23/03/2015.
Compilation of state and central government orders are brought out and made available by College Students and Graduates Association of the Blind in 3 volumes.
Thanks for listening and do not forget to subscribe. We will join you with the new post.